Hi everyone, welcome to Koslowski Family Farm, April 8th. I want to show you what I have going in the greenhouse. Got some Brussels sprouts. They're ready. I already repotted them in here. Tons of basil, parsley. I have tons of vegetables inside in my grow room. I'll show you that later another date, but today I'm gonna start putting these in my solo cups, all these tomato plants. So I have a total of over 62 varieties of tomatoes. Some are for home, some are given away. So I'm really looking forward to seeing what happens this year. It's going to be a great growing season. Now my potting mix, what I want to see, I mix everything here with a shovel. And what I use a mixture of peat moss, chicken manure, vermiculite, lime, some perlite, and some black cow. So I just mix them all together and I will put them in my solo cups. And I'll plant the tomatoes really deep. So we get this whole cup will be a whole root system, not a small root system like you get, other places where you buy them. And I just mix everything in here, and that's what it looks like. It looks excellent. So that's my short take of today. I'll get all these about 130 tomato plants into the solo cups. Okay, thanks everyone. Bye.